Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's video. Survival special, and guys, it's early morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So in case you're new here, subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way we can support Hello Baby Official. So guys, on today's videos, I'm going to meet with one of my visitor, and he will introduce himself on today's videos. And I think, guys, on my side, it was my very first time to meet with him. And wow, let's go. So right now, guys, we are in Brother Dagi's home. And say hello.
Hello guys, here. Let me remove my cap here so they can see me very well, guys. Guys, good morning, good afternoon from where you are watching this great YouTube channel from Hello Baby here. Today, really appreciate for him for inviting me on his channel, guys.
Okay.
Yes. I come all the way from Nairobi here in Nyabohanze to come and meet my friends, YouTubers. At least we can say hi and greet one another, walk around, we see how the area is. Yeah, I've been so much eager to come here and to say hi to my friends here, guys.
Yes.
And I also have a channel. I go by the name Johnson Trainer. I do also content there with my family there. So guys, you can go on there and reach me out, and you can check my content there. Subscribe, show love, guys. And I'm so much happy for Hello Baby to welcome me. At least I can talk on his channel, which is something so precious, and I respect that. And I really love you so much, guys. All the way from Nairobi up to here, guys, to make friendship.
Maybe to end to go on.
Yeah.
Let's go and sit, guys, because this is the free time that I'm giving him. Special shout out, guys. Maybe I have a new subscriber. You doesn't know him. Maybe he has a new subscriber. They don't know me. This is my baby here. No problem. Say hello.
Hi guys.
You good?
It's Regina over here. I'm washing clothes. Hello baby.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good, man.
How is your morning?
The morning is very nice.
I'm also fine.
Yeah.
I thank God.
Okay. That is it. Every day is some activity here and there. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. So this Brother Dagi's home, and I just pull up here. It's very in the morning. Wow. So my brother, he make appointments yesterday, and then I decide I wake up in the morning. Okay, I think here.
Yeah.
Yes, you have the best time. Talk to my people.
Yeah, guys. Like I say that really appreciate you guys for supporting Hello Baby, watching his YouTube channel, subscribing and sharing to your friends also. It's so something good for uplifting upcoming YouTubers, and I really appreciate you so much for doing that for him. And we will see one another growing, something that is good. When you see your friend is growing, we need to support each other. That's why Hello Baby decided I can't go back to Nairobi before.
Where? Kibera?
Yeah, I stay in Kibera.
With your dad?
Yeah.
Closely?
My dad is just around with me, but I also have my family side. But if we just within Kibera, the largest slums in Kenya.
Yeah, Kibera, guys.
Yeah, that's the largest
when you're going
slum.
to Nairobi, especially past Kibera, and then to the city.
Yes, guys. So I welcome you, Hello Baby. Also, one day you come to Nairobi, you'll come and see my palace. I have a palace there. So guys, when you go there and subscribe, you want to see my palace there, you are missing a lot. Go there, subscribe. You want to see my beautiful palace there.
And also, don't forget your brother. Give him a special shout out.
Yes, also my brother is also doing YouTube. I go by the name Johnson Trainer. I'm the older one. His name is Vincent, guys.
Yes.
He's also a YouTube content creator. He do YouTube. He's the one who opened for me a YouTube channel. At least we can keep on moving, and we see one another growing. And when someone teach you how to fish, you need also to work hard, and also to show that effort. That's why I've managed to come here, and I thank you, Vincent, from where you are. Also, you support me to open for me a YouTube channel, and you can see today I've managed to come here, and also to meet my friends here, and they're really supporting me a lot so much. And I
okay, that is it.
Yes.
Imagine, guys, one day I met with his brother, Vincent.
Yes.
By that time, I was been having a channel known as Vin and lean.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know.
yeah.
During the party season at Tamara, and then by God's grace, yesterday I received a call from Brother Dagi, and then he telling me go at my home, pick my visitor, take him to Priska Sagati's place, and then he knows me. He was watching my videos every time.
I used to watch your videos,
yes,
and I like the effort that you're putting in and working hard. At least you can put something on the table. That's what you can do. You need to work hard. No, when you start, maybe when somebody decided that I want to be stealing other people's things, you are shortening your life. So you need to work hard. At least you get something for the family. You support your family. That's something that's good, and you pray, and God will open more doors for you, Hello Baby, for welcoming you. And I believe God is going to bless you more. No, because this chance that you have given me, it will not go like that, I promise you.
Amen.
Yes, so guys, go there and support me, reach out to me, Johnson Trainer, and see lovely content that I'm doing with my family there. Anna pass my greetings also to my lovely wife. She also watch your YouTube channel. Boss Lady, from where you are, I really love you so much. With my children, from where they are, keep on looking at them. Yeah, I love you so much here. I give you a shout out there as you watch this video. You know that I love you so much as I work hard to come here in Nyaboanze to meet great YouTubers here. Support each other. And my children, Navy Seal, Havens, from where you are, Randy Miles, Zion Harvey, from where you are. Those are my children. I love you so much. Daddy's working so hard.
And also Baba YouTube.
Yeah.
Do you know Baba YouTube?
Baba YouTube, I don't know.
Is your dad?
Yeah, Mr. and Mrs. YouTube.
Yes.
You watch him also?
Yeah.
Oh,
every day Vinny said Mr. and Mrs. YouTube. Say hello.
Hello, say Mrs. and Mrs. YouTube.
Yes.
Yeah, also from where you are, greetings.
And also guys, here is a Jamaican flag.
Yeah, USA. I love this flag actually. One day I pray for you, one day you travel to abroad. Yes, also.
Yeah, if I get money, I'll do that. But right now, I'm focusing to build my mama dream house.
Oh,
yeah.
Wow, that's a good idea. You see, blessing the parents. No, the Bible says that the parents. For me, what I know, our parents are the second God, because when we honor them, things. The Bible says when you honor your parents, things goes well with you. Be it your education, business, life, your marriage. When you honor them, actually, things just run smooth. And when you honor God, also God add you more life on earth. And also the Bible says when you honor your parents, God is gonna add you more life, and God gonna bless you, and everything's gonna run smooth with you in life. So that's good idea to take. And I wish also one day also, I'm in that line. As we keep on growing, we're going to do more excellent to our parents also, to appreciate them, for raising up, and now we can walk and work and support them also.
You know, first thing I was thinking in back years, when my dad passed away, I was young.
Sorry.
You know, so my mama struggled with us, and then mama took us very in the morning, going to people's land, working to have small money, you know.
Tough life.
And then, like, we spend there no lunch. We go with the porridge on a container, you know. We come in evening time. So when God blessed me to join this platform, and actually David Jr. supporting me since from zero up to now.
I used to watch also David Jr. I used to see him coming to your place there also.
Even I was working as a handman to his construction place, you know. Like I go harder, you know, working, and then by that time the construction was very, very tough. Everybody's coming, and then when they work one day, they go forever. Me, I said, no matter it's hard, let me work. And then the Virginia said, the first day, I dig the foundation for the perimeter wall. The Virginia said, you're the one who finished, and then you came late, but you are the one who finished fast. So today we'll give you a shout out. From there, like
God has changed.
Yes, God have changed my life, you know. And I will never forget him. Wherever he was watching these videos, I give him a respect up to nowadays. And then he advised me, the moment you get money, please invest, you know, support your parents. And then on my mind, I have an idea. I said, God, I know where I came from. One day when I get money, you know, I support my family. you know, in terms of basic needs, shelter. Even right now, when I get small money, boom, material, you know?
No?
Yes.
It's good.
Yeah.
And also in the village here, what I come to realize also, need to have something that can generate an income. When you have something like, say, like a motorbike, or you can open any program that can bring something here. You don't depend on only farming. No, you can depend on farming, but you know, you understand, maybe you have children, need to educate the children. Something that can bring an income also, we can do it, no? That's also what I've realized here in the village, because the life here is not that easy compared also to the town, because there's no jobs here, no? So you need to create job by yourself only. So here, something like a business, you can start your business, or if you have a motorbike, it's good, you can be carrying people and you get money also. That's also other thing that people also can be doing here in the village.
Me, 100%. YouTube platform have really changed my life. I'm telling you. Guys, if I'm lying, comment on the comment section.
Wow.
If you're watching these videos, go and watch my first video on YouTube. And you'll get surprised. Yes.
Wow. Even me, I can say something on YouTube. YouTube has really changed my life, and really give me, at least when I walk, I feel like, also, I feel God has blessed me. My life is not the same that the way I used to be, but since I've keep on working hard, and God is standing with me, holding my hands. You see, even coming here, I don't know if you are not God, I could have not here. I could have not even meet you today here. But God has made it possible. I travel all the way from Nairobi,
and it's 10 good hours.
Up to here to come and meet you. It's something so good, and I really appreciate God. And in my life, God has really changed me, my family. We are doing awesome, no matter what the challenges. You know, in life, things cannot run just smooth like that. It's just like when you are born again, a Christian. Things can't go just straight like this. Even Jesus was passing through challenges in life, and persistence in life, no matter what challenge that come, God is always with you. He'll give you a way to overcome the challenges. But things have changed, not the way it was. But God, we believe that God is still with us, no? As Jesus was walking and challenges were facing him, up and there. But God enabled him to overcome the challenges. Yes. And we say, God, no matter what, we will still love you.
Wow.
Be it positive or negative things that happen in our life, we will stand with you, God. So always remember God in your life, because he's the one who gives us life as we live.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. So guys, we have a trip from here. So watch these videos to the end, guys.
Yes.
Okay guys, I'm going to put the gas on my bike and then we go. Today's a drizzling day, no sunny. So that's the reason why we struggle with light.
Yes.
Natural ride.
I can see the way you're working hard. Imagine riding a motorbike and holding the camera at the same time. Wow, amazing.
Yes.
You're working more than a bee.
More than?
You're busy as a bee and you're working harder more than a bee. Hey, you are strong. Yeah, that's good. I like the how you push yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, let's keep on going.
Okay. This border town, guys, every day is a business day, you know. There's some business carried out here of selling maize, buying and selling, you know. Boom.
People are exchanging maize in another truck. They're removing this side and this side. Why?
From Tanzania to exchange to Kenyan truck.
Oh.
Yeah. You know this?
Don't go directly.
No.
Yeah.
Don't go directly.
Oh my God.
Nizunguke.
You just wanna put the
Wani kuna gari zinakunywa kama petrol. Yeke bana mie. Naona kama hiyo pesa iko.
Hii kamera yake imerekodi.
Shika nitaenda kuja kuja iona.
Unasanga?
Weka mia. Hii nyingine
Ina rekodi?
Ina rekodi.
Ina rekodi akiwe. Sinimeni imechukua picha hapo. Alafu mtu wale kumtando.
Maratantura Moguta. Camera Simba.
By the way, unafaa ushuke hapa.
So
Get down. Get down.
Okay.
Wewe shuka ba. Uonyesha hata customers wako respect kidogo. Hivyo, unashuka.
Yeah, everything's okay right now.
Oda kidogo kwanza.
Yeah.
Aya, cut one.
Okay. Say hi. Yeah.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Yani rimire. Say hi.
Okay.
Okay, they fear camera here. So this shell, guys, I normally fuel
You're
here.
working here. You're working here. That's good. Keep on working here, man.
Unaogopa kamera yangu unaona masiku. Right. Boom. So that's how we go, guys. Wow. That's the reason why we stay in border town. Things you don't get from Tanzania.
They say that you're in border town, you can see maize, you can see exchange.
Yeah.
Vehicle from another vehicle, guys. From
Yeah.
Tanzania.
To Kenya.
Yeah, guys. So they're exchanging from Tanzania to Kenya.
The guy is selling
They
there.
can't go directly to Kenya, like, from Tanzania to Kenya. Because the tax, the tax is very high for them. So that's why the truck for Kenya, they come here, they attend the exchange, and then they ship it to Kenya made. Yeah. So that's how they do it.
Yo. Ah, guys, that's how Nyabansi looks like. And I think, you know, I need to get. I'm heading to. Wow. Yeah. Let's go. These roads are very popular. Where am I? Okay, very popular. Very, you know, this Sunday vibe. Little kid going to Shamba. Yes.
Wow, they are very well working.
Wow. This is Nyabansi police station right here.
And the school are there around school are there school here around
Yeah.
where children can go
Yes.
school.
Yeah.
Just near.
Near.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome, guys. Don't miss and don't forget to give a video comment,
Yeah.
like, share, like the video, guys.
Okay.
They are very happy. They are very happy. They see that how we are working. We are working hard here, guys.
Yeah.
They see how the parents are very happy.
Yeah.
They see the way we are shooting.
Yeah, it's cold, guys, here. At the same time, it's drizzling. So, like, no more lights. If you had our sound, Floyd vibe to the end.
Yes, guys.
Hey. And Tanzania just within here.
Yeah, Tanzania is just around
Within.
in here.
Where you see that satellites.
Wow.
Okay.
Next time when I come back, when I go back to Nairobi and come back, I will plan one day I have enough time so that we can also go to Tanzania. Yeah.
So you're heading this way. Woo! Hello, baby jet. It's running. Right. Hello, baby jet is running. Wait. That's Mama Ant's shop.
Oh,
Yeah, corner shop.
yeah, sure.
Yeah. You wonder how I'm riding. Okay, guys, we're back at this point. That's Congrats Mom's home, and I normally pass here heading down. Whoa! Looking at David. Hey, that's Uncle Mo's gate, man. They are under construction. Yeah. Also, there's a church right here. The journey is so amazing. Yeah.
Wow.
That one here. So we are on this Paris here. Woo! Tumeletea mgeni means visitor. Unamwona nyuki?
Bro.
Alright guys, introduce yourself.
Yeah, what's up guys? My name is Kenneth, the name of the case of the Sangana, the big fish. Yeah, you see guys, bro.
Today guys, I'm so happy.
Amazing guys. Yes.
For the first time I give this guy shout out. Nakuchakelea lakini zima muziki. Say hello.
Yes, hello guys.
You good? You know the reason why I'm laughing?
I don't know.
you write a title the big white here and then the eyes like this.
Yes. The bees bite big fish. And then I come to.
Which eye?
It was Nandi, it was big fish,
It's
not me.
big. It's not you.
Not me.
You see here.
No, this eye has a damage since 2021.
Introduce yourself.
Yes, guys, welcome at what's your channel name?
Hello, baby.
Hello, baby. Yes, hello, baby. Yes, subscribe to Hello, baby. Comment, share, support Hello, baby, guys. Even can check me in my YouTube channel at Umaga the Mason. Subscribe, comment,
Guys,
share.
remember, this is crazy. I was a handman giving him sand before YouTube. I don't know what about YouTube. I was working at Maro there as a handman, giving him sand blocks, you know, building the perimeter wall.
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet again.
Thank you.
Mbose Amboka. This Mbose Amboka. Guys, this is crazy. They are making love here with cats. Meow. Look, Mbose Amboka. Mbose Amboka. Alright guys, let me check what my wife was doing, and it's very in the morning, so we are lucky, guys, you know, at this moment. Tamigom sasa no single rapotoka.
Kama na leo mo choroni haruta yo mairige na koromo. Irigena. Angani gentu kira ratu. Iya. Ratu ri gentu kira.
Right now, guys.
Mbaki kumyukubu yunu bosabora bogota makebo.
Okay, guys. Right now, Mama's fetching water in good way. Running the time ahead. So, guys, we thank God for everything, man. You know, I was fighting with this borehole, you know, and then, wow, look, hey, Mama Bono. Okay, Mama, she was curing. Yeah, it's good to cure. Yeah, it's good to curing, guys. Yeah.
Just na plus.
Tungeleta panga.
Anari na ra.
Okara hara. Ma uchaha.
Ukurege konge to gikira besasi ngomra.
Alright, guys, leave a sweet comment on the comment section. Let me know what you think about on today's vlog. You see right now, guys, Mama, she was fetching water. She was very happy. More happy, guys. You know. More happy. Manga mbari batore kagot.
Kana bo yuno bosamba kabara to kingura yeta misindiro.
Eta misimi.
Tutu. Wake goro. Roro kome ro maganiri.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, but I think right now we get clean water. I'm telling you. Let me show you guys. Clean water. Look. Clean water. Even I will fetch here, you know, boiling the water and then I drink. Hey, Mama, unajisikiaje?
Vizuri tata.
Hey, Mama, how do you feel? You know, Mama, she was more happy. More happy, guys. More happy. You are more happy. Yeah, Mama said, let's God be known as God. You know, or let's God to be called God. You know. You had the cock blessing, man. Look, purely water, clean. One day we chunk your body cool. So guys, nowadays the water is purely clean. Guys, what can I say? What can I say? Me, I'm just free-hearted, and I left the villagers to fetch water because it's a lot, you know. It's a lot of water. And as soon as each verse, it's a lot, you know. Let the villagers fetching water, you know. My neighbors around here, they won't come and fetch water, but at night I'm supposed to close it, you know. Yeah. Asana epanga. Yaboni, leta panga. Yeah, panga means in the Swahili words means machete, you know. Other people know as panga, other people calling machete. Yeah? You're gonna wreck you. Leta panga. Wow. Yeah? Yeah. Kama kora tema tu. They won't even come. So guys, right now my mother tried to make some cleaners. Probably I'm heading somewhere else right now, and I'll come later, guys. You know. Yeah. Ebanga. Papa Musumeno. Oh yeah, that's right. I know what. I was talking to that guy right there. Okay. Nimekuambia leta panga. Mama anataka kwetu. Mama, right now take care of your water, you know. Hey, see guys, clean water.
And wanna come chai
Guys, maybe in the future I'll put the tank on top and then motor pumping water, you know. I don't want to see my mama fetching water, you know, like pulling. No. In future, when I settle everything to be okay, I'll put a small tank on top, you know, like I create a pillar on top and then I fix the tank, and then it will generate water to my mom's dream house, also to our bathroom. I'll put there a tap one day, and I'll put a tap here at the same time. Yeah. Also remember guys, inside there we have the tank. Hey, man. Whew. God, thank you so much. I was fighting this journey to make sure my mama gets water, and I know other people like saying, whoa, like showing us borehole every day. Man, I know what I'm doing, man, you know. Yeah, God is my witness, you know. I was doing this for my family. Huh? Evang Rasugure. Wow. Mutanarache. So guys, let me go where I'm heading to right now. Maybe I'll come after maybe evening time. Probably I'm going for the issues. I think guys, I'll change my sweater. This one is not okay. Let me change my jacket, and then I say boom. Wow. Guys, right now I'm outside with my baby, and I'm heading outside, man. I'm heading outside. Let's chase my dream, you know. Every day you wanna, like, it's to chase my dream, man. Oh, it's crazy. I'm supposed to do like this. Wow. baby because wow. Shooting the videos very in the morning, having good vibe, you know. Africa, whoa, this is Africa. Fighting for their life. Yeah. Sorry guys, maybe the saliva going to the other direction. So guys, right now I'm free, so it's time to adventure with my baby here. Let's go. Super green. I found the guy here. Come on. As like your dog here, my monta. Mogeni dog yata. Say hello.
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 Yeah.
Guys, do you remember this guy? The moment I bring back material, he was the one who doing offloading.
Yes.
Yes. How you are?
Undendo chimeri hangari tu.
Hi. Ho.
Kogeti ya
Let's go! Little kid rolling tire there in the morning. Yeah. Wagwan. Whoa. Yeah, I bought the bike to adventure the village. Alright guys, it's cold over here and I decided to left my bike here, you know. When I'm around here, and I probably brought one of my one of our visitor or one of our brother visited us in our village, so I brought him here and I'm heading down to check my friend's land. How was everything? You know, it's been a while. I was working hard, full week continuously guys, with my mason handman, you know, so handling issues here and there. So let's check guys, let's check. Oh. Yeah, it's very in the morning, and then I think it's around 11:30 a.m. you know. Oh my god. Whew. Yeah, that's the river's place, sand everywhere, you know. Oh, hey, man, I'm freezing, so I need to go back home and sleep, you know. It's too cold here. Yeah. Some kids left the shoes here, guys. It's crazy. But anyway. Oh guys, that's how everything is here. Oh. Huh. Oh guys, I need to sit here and then I spend little time here, and then I go back home. You know? Yeah. Every day I came to check whether there's a padlock, you know. Maybe somebody will misleading them and then go away. Wow. Yeah. Okay guys, okay. Everything's perfect. So let me check also inside here. Maybe somebody will store legal things. Yeah. I need to check everything. Okay guys, once more I'm back here, and to be here it's by God grace, you know. Yeah, so checking how things is here. Wow man, this area people are building, man. You see, you wanna see the rivers, like those material right there, stones balanced, you know, also sand. Yeah, people have dream, guys, to build, and that's the best way we can push ourselves to build Africa, you know. I know other places in Africa, they are well developed in terms of building. Maybe they have well developed, but for our entire village, we try to push it, guys, you know, slow by slow. So after these videos, let me go around. After these videos, I'll go and yeah, these are toilets here, bathroom and also toilets right there. So 2 doors. You know, after these videos, I will go and wash my bike, because today's on Sunday. So probably I haven't washed that bike, you know. So I decide to wash it and then to look clean, you know. Wow. It's almost rain, guys, but it is what it is. You know, the weather is so gloomy day, you know, no sunny, guys. Even me, I myself, I feel like my body's freezing, man, you know. It's not our normal day, but we push these videos maybe around 40 minutes, and then we continue, you know. Wow. So I'm checking the time here. Checking the time. Alright guys, I think it's my time to go back home, but everything just okay. Even there's no need to wash my bike, because anytime it's on a rain, but it's good to maintain cleanness, guys, you know. I don't want to spoil my bike, you know. Some when it's muddy, it will spoil maybe some metals. So I go and wash it and then run going home. Right, let's keep pushing. There are some stones here, so I'm heading this way, guys. It's freezing. Whoa. Yeah, let me check my key, guys. I don't want to left my key. Let me check. Wow. Okay, I have those keys here. Yeah. Yeah. So today I think it's on Sunday. Like, I wanna do quick and fast, and then to have a rest, guys. You know, Sunday is the best time to chill. That's my baby here. Yeah, look how it looks like. Something crazy. You see? Yeah, I don't want to spoil my bike. I need to maintain to be look clean. Okay, so we shall meet with you going this way, guys. Okay, guys. Oh my lord, let's go. Yeah, that's Sunday vibe. That's how it looks like. That's the maize corn, you know. Boom. Wow. Some more. Wow. Guys, let me go back to my house and you know, cover myself with the heavy blankets. Hey. Nice perimeter wall there. Wow. So I think, should I wash my bike or I left the way it is? You know, sometimes it was unthinkable. Oh, hey, cow is grazing here. No jokes. Woo. Omera bwana. Fun area, you know. Okay guys, that is it. I'll come and then wash later within here, but right now I'm pushing. Nice tree. I see these trees on at the coast. Oh man, it's freezing. Oh. But anyway, let's go. Yeah. Hey, this is crazy. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. This is the best time you can subscribe, guys. You know, that lorry. Whoa! It's need me to wear a heavy jacket. Let me wipe my camera, guys. Yeah. Okay. They're mining like quite a process here. Whoa. Hey. I'm shooting these videos up home, guys, you know. I feel that cold even up inside of my stomach. I feel the cold and I'm wearing the jacket, man. I left the tarmac road, so now I'm using my local road, our local road. This is the Muram road here. Please guys, supporting me by subscribe, like, comment, share, you know, and don't skip ads on my videos. And the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And also, in case you're new here, feel free to welcome on my channel. Enjoy the vlog to the end, you know. Yeah, right now I'm free, guys, because I finished the issues of you know, fixing the borehole, especially Karabats. Let me go and sleep, guys, to cover myself on heavy blankets. Today is today. Right there, there's a church under construction. Yeah, Achieva School. And I think by tomorrow some school will be reopened, and then students go back to school. They have been given half term for 1 week, and then they have already enjoyed, guys. Woo. Mura, vipi? Poa. Kids are running, look at this. Okay guys, we shall meet home. Well guys, so finally I'm back home, and I'm gonna end my videos because today is on Sunday, and to have enough rest, you know. But I see the weather is like coming in good shape, you know. And let me check the time guys right now. Oh, it's 12:28 p.m, you know, so we're approaching lunchtime, and probably it's time to put something on the table. So let me check my mama Kels first. Wow. Right now guys, we're so happy. Our toilet will get water, you know. Our toilet will get water, so which is a good thing. I appreciate that. You see guys, my mama kitchen garden are growing every day. Let me say kales are growing every day. You see, every day are growing, every day are growing, you know. Every day are growing. So that's the pumpkin leaves. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Let's see our cows guys, before we end my videos, whether it's okay. Yeah, and also these are pipe which take out water from outside here. It's freezing. Even I see the small baby calf, you know. Yeah, see this. Good morning. Good morning. Wow, let's go. So I see people comment on the comment section, said right now you need to plant grass, fruits, you know, mango trees maybe in the future. Yeah, I love that. So I think if I'll cut these trees and then down, you know, doing landscaping, you know, the moment they're removing this soil from here, when I'm start building to compact the floor, when I finish that, next step is to plant fruits inside here. So we'd have our own compound, you know. Yeah, when you see this container, it tells you we're already having what? Already having what? What's it on the other dad? What's it there? Hey, mama, get what's it? So kimugi on the can, so kimugi ring sawa. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay. So let's check our cows, guys. Today it's a different videos. No. I was having one of my guests on these videos. Yeah, the car chilling here. Mr. Bull, say hello. Yeah, later I'll take you to the grazing point. Guys, I think this car pregnant because I see the stomach growing bigger. Yeah. So the moment that one, my mama, you know, it reach a period when it doesn't milk a cow. So when it stops, we milk this one again to bring another newborn baby calf. Yeah, imagine our cow not aggressive, guys. You wanna touch, say hello. Okay. Okay, guys. Also, we have another one here. Yeah, they're enjoying. Keep quiet. Yeah, today I feel like to stand here, you know. Oh! Pooh. Guys, when I'm standing here, you know, seeing going up to that way, I feel so happy on my side, because that water, I'll use it on construction, you know. Let me say, when you buy a trip like a tuk-tuk, when they went 10 trips, you spend around let me say 20,000 per day or 10,000 per day. That's water. You have not already paid the mason, handman, you know. So water is everything. Alright guys, we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow. So stay tuned guys. Bye bye.